Welcome to your new Apple Watch. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up your Apple Watch from start to finish. Whether you're a first-time Apple Watch user or upgrading to a new model, follow these steps to get your device up and running. Unbox your Apple Watch. Remove your watch and accessories from the box. Ensure it's charged to at least 50%. Turn on your Apple Watch press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Bring your iPhone near the Apple Watch. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Place it near the Apple Watch. Pair your Apple Watch with your iPhone. Tap Continue on your iPhone and scan the animation on the Apple Watch to complete pairing. Set up as new or restore from backup. Choose Set up as new for a fresh start or restore from a previous backup. Sign in with your Apple ID Sign in to use Apple Pay, iCloud, and the App Store. Configure your settings, adjust notifications, display, and security options. Install apps, select which apps to install via the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Set up health and fitness features. Enable activity tracking and heart rate monitoring. Final customizations. Personalize watch faces, adjust notifications, and tweak additional settings. Sync your Apple Watch. Allow your watch to sync with your iPhone, transferring data like contacts and music. Enjoy your Apple Watch. Now you're ready to use your Apple Watch for notifications, fitness tracking, and more. That's it. Your Apple Watch is now ready to use. We hope this step-by-step guide has helped you set up your watch easily. Be sure to explore all the features and enjoy the convenience of having Apple technology right on your wrist. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.